let us say you are now in front of Muhammad. Muhammad, you receive a revelation in the sound of a bell. How Muhammad he hear the bell and then he speak the Quran in Arabic, translating what the bell sound is. Bell is not Arabic language, it's a bell. How Muhammad translate the inspiration of his God from the bell sound to Arabic? How is that? And why Allah giving him the sound of the inspiration in as a bell?
Okay, my friend, now يعني maybe we discuss يعني another time because we don't يعني prepare myself and
No problem.
this inshallah we call you and message me when you يعني busy we debate another time inshallah.
No problem. But before you go, Mr. Rohi, Dr. Rohi, you see, Muhammad himself, he said that the sound of the bell is a musical instrument of shaitan. And you just agreed that Muhammad, and you are the one who told me that Muhammad he received his inspiration in the sound of a bell. That means you are confirming that Muhammad was receiving his musical instrument of shaitan, and he claimed yet that this is Quran. Now you said you are not prepared for that. I will give you as many days as you wish to prepare, and you are more than welcome to call me anytime, Dr. Rohi. I'm happy to have you again, and thank you for being with us. And I hope that you will come next time with better answers, and you will be prepared for what we stop with. And the next time you call me, we will start from here again. All right?
Inshallah,
No problem.
inshallah. Thank you, my friend. Good night.
Take care.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam. Take care. All right. Well, as usual, when things get hot, I am not prepared. Because now we are arriving to the conclusion that Muhammad hear voices, and those voices are crazy. He's a crazy guy. I mean, isn't it obvious? So what we do? Okay, now actually I should go because now this guy have a PhD in Islam. He's a big sheikh. And now I got to go. Now, a prophet of God who received inspiration in a sound of a bell. Bismillah Al-Rahman Al-Rahim. Allah said, "O kuffar,
Hello?
O mommy, mommy blue." I mean, this is a prophet of God. Prophet of God. He received Allah words as a sound of a bell. And you are telling me that this guy is not mentally ill? Rocks, they say to him, Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum, Prophet Muhammad. The rocks walking in the street. The guy, the funny, this guy, he cleaned his ass with the 3 rocks. He told the Muslims. So you know, rocks, they say to him, Assalamu alaikum. Trees, they say to him, Assalamu alaikum. Camel, he said to him, Camel, Prophet, this guy is beating me. And nobody can hear it. And then, to make things more ugly and more crazy, he said to them that the bell is the instrument, musical instrument of the shaitan. Well, you forgot, you crazy, that you are the one who said that you receive Quran as bell. And what Dr. Rohi said to us, not always he receive it in the sound of a bell. But this is not the question, my friend. Why Allah is giving a guy who do not know anything